Razmere v prenatrpanih begunskih taboriščih v Koksbazarju v Bangladešu so težje. Še več skrbi prinaša deževno obdobje, ki se začne nekje v začetku junija in traja vse do oktobra. Humanitarne organizacije na terenu se sicer trudijo, da bi začasne domove beguncev kar najbolje pripravile na deževje, a proti naravi se je včasih nemogoče boriti.
So the conditions are difficult. Crowded, it's hot, it's hard to find water and food, and the conditions are getting worse. And they're going to continue to get worse as the rainy season comes, and then we have a monsoon season and cyclone season. So conditions are really deteriorating, and it's getting difficult for those people there. I think one of the main challenges is that they don't really have any hope.
Denarja ni dovolj, pravijo člani mednarodnih humanitarnih organizacij, ki želijo z omejenimi sredstvi izboljšati življenje tistih, ki so zbežali pred nasiljem.
We live in a world where we can raise 6 million for a nice Caribbean island to repair roofs, but I can't raise more than 14 million for 1 million refugees with no future living in mud. It strikes me as something incorrect. I don't know the reasons. I don't know if people care or people don't have attention span that will last, or people don't really want to know what's going on in the world. But this is a giant tragedy.
Mjanmarska vlada je sicer danes znova zagotovila, da si želi, da bi se begunci iz plemena Rohinja kar najhitreje vrnili na svoje domove v zvezni državi Rakinje.
And our main aim is to start the repatriation process as soon as possible, because the monsoon is very near, and we are very worried for those who fled to the Bangladesh who are in the camps, because seeing is believing, and we saw all the peoples in the camps are in very poor condition.
Toda razmere na terenu zagotovil mjanmarske vlade ne potrjujejo. Ursula Müller, pomočnica generalnega sekretarja Združenih narodov za humanitarne zadeve, je med obiskom beguncev v Bangladešu namreč ugotovila, da razmere še ne omogočajo vrnitve beguncev.
From what I've seen and heard from people, no access to health services, concerns about protection, continued displacements, conditions are not conducive to return.
Mjanmarska vlada je sicer minuli teden sporočila, da se je v domovino vrnilo prvih 5 beguncev iz Bangladeša, a je visoki komisariat Združenih narodov za begunce trditve mjanmarske vlade že ovrgel.